Good evening, friends. There will be new stimulus checks for the months of November and December. Bonus stimulus money is being sent out immediately. Nearly $3 billion have been allocated towards a brand new wave of inflation relief checks. Friends, this is your latest stimulus news and information. So make sure, friends, that you watch until the end of this video for an updated stimulus timeline and schedule. Also, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. During the months of October, November, and December, I will be surprising several of you with $200 gift cards. To say thank you so much, friends, for being part of this community. If you paid personal income taxes in the state of Massachusetts in 2021 and have filed your 2021 tax return by October 17th, you will get a percentage of that nearly $3 billion in tax refund stimulus money that Massachusetts is sending out this month. The Massachusetts tax refund for 2022 comes during a recent trend where states that are flush with cash from post-crisis budget surpluses are sending state stimulus checks and tax rebates back to their residents. For example, a third round of California stimulus check payments of up to $1,050 are currently underway. And in the state of Virginia, residents who filed their 2021 Virginia tax return by November 1st can receive a Virginia tax stimulus rebate of up to $500. But friends, it's important to note that the 2022 tax refund program in Massachusetts is a little different than the other state stimulus programs because eligible Massachusetts taxpayers will each receive a different amount of money in their tax refund checks. That is because Massachusetts will mail a check or provide a direct deposit that amounts to about 14% of each eligible taxpayer's state income tax liability from their 2021 tax return. The state of Massachusetts will return the more than $2.9 billion in excess revenue to eligible taxpayers. Eligible Massachusetts taxpayers will receive a 2022 tax refund of about 14% of their 2021 Massachusetts income tax liability. However, friends, if you have unpaid taxes or owe child support, the amount of your refund may be reduced by the amount of the outstanding tax liability or unpaid child support. State officials have said that eligible Massachusetts taxpayers will start to see their tax refund money beginning today. And if you filed your Massachusetts tax return by October 17th, remember, you do not need to do anything else to receive the 2022 tax refund. The Massachusetts tax refund will either arrive as a check in the mail or be sent via direct deposit if the state has your banking information available. So, dear friends, this is awesome news, especially for those of you that reside in Massachusetts. Friends, the key word for this video today is Golden Gate Bridge. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Golden Gate Bridge, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. The Biden administration is moving forward with an overhaul of several student debt forgiveness programs, aiming to make it much easier for borrowers to get relief. Today, the Education Department finalized a package of rules that had proposed earlier this year. The new rules take hold in July and are separate from President Biden's sweeping student debt forgiveness plan, which has held up in court amid a legal challenge from Republican-led states. Education Secretary Miguel Cardona called it a monumental step that will make it faster and simpler to get debt relief. Miguel Cardona has told reporters today The Biden administration is fixing a broken system and putting borrowers first. Chief among the changes is a revamp of a program known as Borrower Defense, which offers debt forgiveness to students whose colleges commit fraud. The program aims to help the victims of predatory, for-profit colleges, but it has been bogged down by complex rules and political battles, resulting in a mounting backlog of applications. According to CNBC News, it's a reversal from former presidents' policies that eliminated group discharges and made it harder for individuals to qualify for some relief. This new rule cements the department's ability to erase debt for thousands of borrowers in a single action, as the Biden administration has already done for those who attended Corinthian colleges and other for-profit college chains. The federal government will also be able to force colleges to cover the costs when their students are granted loan cancellation because of the fraud. Those costs have typically been passed to taxpayers, prompting complaints from conservative critics who say the program too freely cancels debt at the public's expense. The new rule erases the 15-day rule, allowing payments to count even if they are made late or in multiple installments. It also allows borrowers to make up to a year of payments in advance in a single sum, rather than making monthly payments. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this new plan for student loan forgiveness? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my great and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this evening. Thank you, my friends, for joining me here every day. I greatly appreciate every single one of you. Please remember to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Democrats delivered several laws to make life safer and more secure, but the one history will note is the Inflation Reduction Act. It tackles climate change, the deficit, and makes the rich pay their fair share. But what it truly gives our seniors is real peace of mind. For the first time since the Affordable Care Act, this new law will bring down and keep down prescription drug costs and insurance premiums. That is so critical. How, you might ask? This law lifts Big Pharma's chokehold by capping annual Medicare drug costs at $2,000 and insulin at $35 a month. That is such a big deal. That means 3.6 million Floridians with Medicare Part D will soon pay less for medications, making life easier for 100,000 seniors who count on Medicare in my district alone. Just think about that. And for nearly 250,000 Florida Medicare beneficiaries on insulin, they will finally see relief with $35 monthly cost caps. You want to improve people's lives? I bet some people in here want to improve people's lives. Are you with me? Okay. Come on, people, let's wake up. We got the President of the United States in the house. Come on now. I know you got a little more energy than I hear. Okay, thank you very much. That's the crowd I know. Those are the people I represent. Okay, just wanted to make sure we're still here.